Before we start learning how to create new Access databases, let's look at one that's already been built. The database we're going to explore was made by Mapleton Gourmet Burgers, a local restaurant, to keep track of products, sales, and other information. As we examine the database, we'll discuss the 4 primary database objects: tables, queries, forms, and reports. Tables form the backbone of any database. This database has 6 tables, each with a different kind of data. To open a table, double-click on it. This table stores information about our employees. We have their names, which of our 3 locations they work at, their hire and birth dates, and their home addresses. The products table has each of our products, as well as their product types and prices. The orders table is a little bit different. Rather than having its own information, it takes information from 3 other tables: the employees table, the customers table, and the product table. Using this table, we can see which employees have sold which products to which customers, and the date of the transaction. To close a database object, click this X. The next database objects are queries. I like to think of queries as questions I may ask my database. For example, I might ask, how many sales have we made this week? A query can instantly collect all of the data I'm interested in from my tables, as well as performing calculations on it. This query shows each day of the past week, along with the total number of sales and the money made from sales for each day. Queries are also a great way to see data from different tables. This query combines related data from the employees table and the employee phones table. Next are forms. Forms provide a convenient way for users to enter data into their tables. This is especially helpful if multiple people are using the same database, because forms reduce the chances of making data entry errors. They also prevent users who don't understand how the database works from changing important settings on the tables. Last are reports. Reports provide good-looking printable summaries of your data. They can be based on tables, queries, or both. Some reports also contain summary information. This report breaks down the restaurant's sales by product type. For each product, we see the amount sold, as well as the total revenue for that product. At the bottom of the page, we have the total sales of the entire database. Tables, queries, forms, and reports all work together to make data more accessible. Tables store the data, queries derive useful information from the tables, forms help put new data into the database, and reports are great for getting information out of the database.